So you can't find individual on Luce Cannon.
It don't even have on Luce's file. It don't even have a court date or nothing for that day. Like it don't have nothing there, bro. Nothing.
What's good, y'all? Y'all know how this go. If you can't see somebody's paperwork, the rumblings are going to start. Are they talking? Is it sealed? Did they make a deal before everybody else? That's just how it go. Let's get to it.
Yeah, so man, did we other people pay? We found bus paperwork. What any of the people that's how the people out on bail ain't gonna have. Well, they should, right? Lavish.
But all right, so everybody who got bail, they just got the release. They already went through their arraignment and stuff. And so that's out. We got all theirs. The only one we don't got is Buddy's.
So does it give a breakdown on, or is they stuff just in the big U indictment?
It's just in the big U indictment.
So they don't have an individual.
No, what?
Yeah, they got an individual. Hell yeah, they got an individual. Every person on the case gonna have an individual file.
Oh, so
Only
you
those
can't see
people.
that? You're saying you can't see the. I'm gonna tell you why I'm asking. I gotta hit Reggie. I heard Reggie the other day, and he made mention of what happened in the courtroom.
And I can't see it. That's all I'm saying.
I'm like, damn, how Reggie's saying. He said something to the effect of,
You chilling with the answer?
I forget exactly what he said, but it was something I hadn't heard him say, Luce Cannon talk about, or his wife talk about. So I'm like, how the Reggie, where you get that from? It sound like,
Was it from the recent the
yeah, it was
bail?
something.
Maybe he heard something Eddie Boy said, because I heard a clip of Eddie Boy recently. And
Him and
Eddie
the
Boy,
old dude, Melvin Farmer, he said something
okay,
on
because
that.
Eddie Boy was talking on a clip and he said he's waiting for the minute orders to come out so everybody could see. But Eddie Boy explained what happened in court though. He just said he waiting on the minute orders so everybody could see that what he's saying is true.
So
But the
that
minute
might
orders
be
ain't
what,
came yet.
that might be where
Right,
he
that's
got it
my
from.
point.
So, yeah, okay, so it's only two people that's going to court that'll get some minute orders. I don't think nobody else been to court outside of their bail hearing or whatever that was, right? So I think the thing is coming down to what's crazy is frustration going on amongst y'all, because I think y'all all trying to find the same thing, right? So the minute orders, okay, when Big U been to court, was you able to find some individual when he went to court?
Of course, because we looked.
You was
Okay.
able to find individual on every single person
Every
except
person.
one person.
So
And we know who that person is.
So you can't find individual on Luce Cannon,
Not the most recent stuff, not at all.
Oh,
but you can find his Vegas thing, right? I think I seen that,
yes,
Yes.
the Vegas thing, and I believe he been to court in L.A. twice or once. Well, I know his wife flew out once. I don't know what the other one was.
And you know what makes this even more crazy? We was able to see Brick Baby's bail thing, like the rejection from the prosecution, a day
almost immediately.
before. Yeah, we saw it immediately a day before the actual hearing even happened.
Oh, so you saw what they were submitting
We saw
prior to?
exactly.
Okay,
We saw that
so
before Brick even had the court date.
so that same type form, do they have that form on Luce Cannon as well?
No.
we don't
Okay,
have that form on Luce Cannon, Wack, because we don't have a bail reconsideration form from Luce's lawyer in LA either. So preceding that motion to respond from the feds is the motion to reconsider bail. So you
okay.
got
Well, hold
Luce's.
on, hold on,
Go ahead.
hold on. The Brick Baby, do we have the proceedings on what actually happened? I know we got, you said it was paperwork on before he even went to court. Was there some paperwork on after on what happened while he was in court that came on after that, or is just what they had prior to? Because nothing changed, baby. I'm guessing that whatever they had prior to is saying they was going to deny bond, right?
They were showing the reasons they wanted to deny bond. Yeah, facts.
So do
Right.
they have what happened in court when he finally went? You know what I'm saying?
That's something we got to look at.
I don't believe that they're going to show that. I think it's just going to be if they gave it to him or not, right? But my thing is we don't have for Lucis, and this is my whole thing. I think I put it back there in the chat last night. So is we can't see that. We can't even see the why they don't want him to have it.
Oh, so the same thing you saying, Ghost, they got for Brick Baby prior to him going to court. Prince, y'all saying y'all don't even see that on Luce.
Exactly. It don't even have on Luce's file. It don't even have a court date or nothing for that day. Like it don't have nothing there, bro. Nothing.
Oh my God. I'm only saying two separate things, right? The first thing is Brick filed for bail reconsideration. Then the feds filed that motion against him, right?
Oh, got you.
See what I'm saying? I don't see Luce just got his bail denied. Brick got his bail denied
Now,
originally.
now, now, Prince, correct me if
But
I'm wrong.
but Luce
What
got
did
his
they
bail
do in
denied
Vegas?
originally too, though.
That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying. But that was in Nevada. I'm with you. In LA, go ahead.
so in Vegas they denied the bail, right?
Right.
So the LA one he just went to wouldn't be considered a bail consideration.
Remember, that's where that detention order came out of. Remember? Out of Vegas.
The
That's where they
detention
are.
order came out of Vegas, I know.
Right.
But his last time when Eddie Boy was in the courtroom, was that not a bail reconsideration?
That was his first bail hearing.
Or what was that in Vegas? That was just a detention order and that wasn't a bail hearing?
Detention hearing.
Okay, so now, so you saying that whole proceedings wouldn't be in the minute order? What he just did in LA?
I'm saying that to me that's separate, right? We're just waiting for the minute order for that actual bail hearing, right?
Yeah, the one he just went to. That's what I'm talking about.
Whether or not the state's gonna file the same memo they filed against Brick, we'll know that when he files his bail reconsideration and they file their opposition to it.
Yeah,
Two
you're
separate
down the
things we're
street.
waiting
So
on.
you saying this one, what he just went in there on, it won't be nothing seen.
It should be something seen. It's
That's
not
that's the
there.
point.
Yeah, we're not at the reconsideration because he would have to file that to get that, right?
That's what I'm right,
So
right.
we're at which I'm sure he will. We're at what we know would happen. And we do know it was a court date. It's a lot of chatter going on. So I'm trying to see the reasons why it wouldn't be shown right now, if there was a reason. I don't know.
All right, y'all, there it is, man. I really think since some of the charges were in Vegas and some were in Cali, that might be the discrepancy. I'm not sure why you can't look in and see what's going on with Luce, especially if there was a hearing. We do know that if people make deals and everything like that, they are now separated, so to speak, from the case. They got their own case. They got their own deal. I don't know if that's what's going on. So, but the rumors is out there. Wack trying to clear them up. I'm sure the streets will be talking. We'll keep you posted, man. It's your boy, The Answer, man. Until next time, we out.